Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Sean K Beauty. In today's video, we are talking about eye creams for wrinkles. A lot of us are looking for anti-aging products to really help us with fine lines and wrinkles under the eyes. And here are some of the best ones from Sephora. I bring science to beauty to anybody who's new. My background is microbiology and biochemistry, but I also do makeup tutorials and makeup reviews and recommendations as well. So Wednesdays and Fridays, you guys let me know if Mondays work better for you. It seems like you all were okay with Wednesdays and Fridays. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell, please, so that you're notified every time I put up a video. And on Sundays, occasionally, I'll be putting up my vlogs, which is more of a let our hair down, have a good time, and just live our best lives as best as we can in this world right now. But anyway, that's a whole nother topic. Let's get into these eye creams for fine lines and wrinkles and what you can expect when you purchase it from Sephora. The first product that I recommend is the Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream from Tatcha. Tatcha always gives really great products. This falls under Sephora's clean beauty section. It's also one for hydrating underneath the eyes. Remember, I talked about hydration is super duper important for minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Some key ingredients that Tatcha actually highlights is the silk extract that is pretty much a protective veil of hydration for underneath the eyes and allows for a smooth, lustrous glow. And then the Japanese white peony extract. This is going to strengthen underneath the eye area. And Hadassah 3 complex. This is Tatcha's proprietary blend. This is one that's supposed to help to minimize those signs of aging. It has detoxifying ingredients in it, as well as helping you to retain moisture underneath the eye. All right, next up is Shiseido, a really great brand that's giving us the wrinkle smoothing eye cream. Again, focusing on plumping up underneath the eyes and dealing with dryness. That is going to help with minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is for all skin types. And some call out ingredients is kombu, which is a complex of green, brown, and red algae. It also has chlorella in here that fortifies the skin's barrier and helps to prevent and minimize wrinkles. There's squalene in here. Squalene is really great for protecting the skin's barrier and bringing about repair. And then we have our aqua peptide, which softens the skin. And again, peptides are really great for bringing about that firmness that needs to happen underneath the eye area. The other product is from Biossance. This is the Squalene Marine Algae Firming and Lifting Eye Cream. I mentioned a Biossance eye cream for dark circles in my previous video, so definitely check that out. This is an Allure 2020 Best Beauty Award winner. It is vegan. There is no fragrance in here. And this is good for the loss of firmness under the eyes. And again, another anti-aging product that helps to minimize the appearance of. Some call out ingredients in here would be marine algae, which if you see marine algae in a lot of skincare products, best believe that it's going to be great for the skin, that it visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This also has the squalene that's derived from sugarcane, and that's really going to help to smooth the under eye area and bring about that moisture. And then we have our Paracress extract, which again helps to firm and smooth under the eye area. A really great brand, and I have yet to really show you all a skincare routine under this brand. It is from Fresh. This is their black tea firming and depuffing eye cream. This one is also under the clean beauty section of Sephora. It has hyaluronic acid. As we know, hyaluronic acid is great for hydrating underneath the eye area. This is also going to deal with dark circles under the eyes, and it is great for all skin types. Now, I do want to preface that this is a lightweight cream, so you can wear this underneath your makeup, because a lot of us want to go with something more lightweight, especially when we're wearing our eye creams during the day. Black tea is a great antioxidant. This has kombucha, black tea extract, blackberry leaf extract, and lychee seed extract. And that is going to deal with those free radicals and help to improve elasticity underneath the eye. There's also your noni fruit juice. And noni is also good to drink if you guys didn't know that you can get the noni juice that you can drink from Whole Foods, but this has noni fruit juice in it, and that helps to increase moisture and also improve the appearance of your skin. Again, a lot of women have tried this, and 91% of them have reported that their skin looks more hydrated. It has helped with elasticity. It has proven itself to firm up underneath the eye area and also give a softer, improved texture and overall appearance to the under eye area. All right, I want to call out this eye cream because I used to use it and it's really good. It is Kiehl's since 1851. This is their creamy eye treatment with avocado. This is paraben free, fragrance free. I do say, you all, it can be a little bit oily, so definitely let it dry down before you put your makeup on, or choose to wear this one at nighttime. Some call out ingredients in here is avocado oil. That's definitely going to visibly soften the skin and nourish underneath the eye area. It has beta carotene that's going to provide your antioxidant benefits. And then there's shea butter. Again, we all know shea butter is great for moisturizing and bringing hydration to a dehydrated area. So it's going to give you that suppleness. This is great for all skin types. And there are some clinical trials with this product. Again, what I love about Kiehl's is because it was an apothecary, it comes from a more medicinal side of doing skincare. So it's gonna have a lot of clinical trials there with some proven, track record of what women experience when they use this product. So I'm really hoping that you all found this video to be helpful. Remember, Wednesdays and Fridays is Sean K's Beauty Bar. Like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell. Put your questions down below so I can feature them here on the channel and really target your concerns. I'm here for you. That's what this channel is all about. I want you to be better informed, empowered, and more astute on what you're picking up when you're going into your Sephora's and what you need to be looking for to combat your specific issue. I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.